With nearly 50% of us here in the UK working in some form of hybrid working, Logitech has launched Casa Pop-Up Desk, an all-in-one product suitable for working from home, a coffee shop, or anywhere you want to. So let's get it unboxed. So turning to the back of the box, it gives you a stand, a keyboard, a mouse all in one. It creates a healthier and more productive way of working that can be packed away and added to a shelf simply like a book. Opening the lid reveals their slogan, "My work, my life, my home." This sums it up really. You work your way, when you want to and where you want to. So first up is our all-in-one Casa book, and this weighs 1.4 kilos and it's an all-in-one product which looks amazing, and I think they've really thought about the way it's been packaged here. So it's carbon neutral in the way it's designed and made from recycled materials, so always thinking about the environment. So let's just take out our Casa book. We'll set this to the side and take a quick look at the paperwork. So underneath you have some quick how-to information, how to set up. You have warranty and safety information, but as always, if you have any questions or you have a problem, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help. Let's actually get into our Casa book here. So just remove the recycled materials as I mentioned in their packaging, which I think is really important. And it's a really nice design, and the way you experience your unboxing, it makes you excited and connects you to your product, which I think is really important these days. Inside here, you're going to see your book for the first time. It's branded with Logitech, and it simply looks like a notepad or a book that would sit on a shelf anywhere in your home or even on a coffee table and would fit in so ideally into the home setup and actually not know what it is. There's 3 color choices. So you've got Bohemian Blush with rose devices, Nordic Calm with an off-white device, or what I have here is the Classic Chic with graphite devices. So let's take off the band. So quite a strong band that's around there, and you can see the thickness here, so not too thick at all. And thinking this holds a stand, your Casa keys and your Casa Touch, which are your touchpad and keyboard, and it unfolds like a book, and you have your stand on the left hand side, and then we do have some paperwork here. So on the paperwork here it has Casa Pop-Up Desk, and you flip it over and it shows you information about setting up, how to angle, and even how to actually get the Casa keys and the touchpad out, as you have to use a rock and a pop motion. First up is our Casa Touch, which you use the rock and pop motion to get it out of your case here. And this is the graphite design as I mentioned, and it's a real nice touch little pad that you can use with your device. It has a full functioning gesture controls, USB-C connection, Bluetooth low energy and logic bolt, and with a full charge will last 3 weeks, or 3 minutes of charge will last you all day. Then we have the Casa keys. So Logitech are well known for making excellent keyboards, and I bet this will be exactly the same, with the ability to easily switch between devices and dedicated buttons for emoji, dictation, screenshot, media controls and mute. And it's so stylish and compact. Really like this graphite design that they've used. Again, this has a USB-C connection, Bluetooth low energy and logic bolt. Once fully charged, it will last for 5 months, and 1 minute of charge will last you for the rest of the day. There's a handy little storage option available here, and this is where it hides your USB-C cable for charging your Casa Touch and Casa keys, and you can plug that into your device, again matching the color, which I really like. And this could be used for adding in pens or notes if you want to. It's nice you've even got a little storage option there. Then we come on to the raised stand that can handle a large range of laptops, Chromebooks, and in my case a MacBook, with a 12mm lip for your devices to rest into to ensure that they're safe and secure. This will support laptops and MacBooks between the size of 10 inches or 17 inches, or weighs up to 7.5 kilos. It offers one fixed angle, however you're able to change and adjust your way your display looks, so you're able to tilt or move your display on your actual laptop, so that's not too bad of an option there. As a raised display, it will help your neck and relieve work related injuries, so actually having your laptop screen or your MacBook screen in the correct position will help you so much in life, because you don't want to be hunched over. Logitech have released the Casa book here in the UK, and you can go and check it out in John Lewis, or the link will be in the video description, where it costs here in the UK £179.99. It's due to be released in New Zealand and Australia sooner, and I will update further, but let me know what you think. I'll be taking a closer look and delving in further to the key options and the options to change options with the Logic Plus app, and seeing how functionality it works between my MacBook and also Windows. But please let me know, and from me Ricky, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.